Hello everyone, myself Gurleen Kaur from the Indian Game Theory Society DTU and I will be explaining the topic What is Game Theory? Game theory is the study of strategic interaction among rational decision makers. Assuming that all the players are rational, it helps us figure out the best approach based on what the other person might do. But have you wondered why is it called game theory? That's because it helps us understand the strategic interactions between two or more players. There are many concepts in game theory, but it originally addressed the zero-sum games. This will be explained in detail in our further videos. Currently, it is used as an umbrella term for the science of logical decision-making in humans as well as computers. Game theory was developed by the mathematician John von Neumann and economist Oscar Morgenstern. It was developed extensively in the 1950s by many scholars and applied in the 1970s evolution, but these date back to the 1930s as well. It did not exist as a unique field until John Neumann published the paper Games of Strategy and a book called The Theory of Games and Economic Behavior. As explained before, game theory developed extensively during the 1950s, explaining concepts such as fictitious play, repeated games, and Shapley value. The famous prisoner's dilemma was first introduced in the 1950s, and experiments were conducted by the mathematicians Merrill M. Flood and Melvin Drescher. Game theory has applications in many fields such as psychology, war, politics, economics, business, etc. In business, game theory is used for modeling competing behaviors between economic agents. Businesses have many strategies that affect their gain. In economics, it brought about a revolution by addressing the problems that were present in prior economic models. Game theory is used for solving international conflicts since these occur as a result of decisions made by humans. Real-world scenarios such as pricing competitions can be laid out and the outcomes can be predicted using game theory. Lastly, it has wide applications in psychology. Behavioral game theory is a branch of the subdiscipline of behavioral economics that used these techniques in the 1980s. There are many types of games such as symmetric, asymmetric, simultaneous and sequential, but the most common games are cooperative and non-cooperative. Now we will look at the limitations of game theory. So just like other economic models, it relies on the assumption that all the players are rational beings. It has many prior requirements that must hold true for the theory to work. Such requirements include that all the players are rational decision makers and have full knowledge about the game. It doesn't take into account the fact that some games may or may not fall into a Nash equilibrium depending upon the social context and who the players are. So in this video, we covered the definition of game theory, its history and a few applications as well as its limitations. Like and share this video and subscribe to IGTS DTU to know more about game theory.